Are you trying to squeeze every ounce of SEO, search engine optimization possibilities out of your website? Have you ever wished that you had the ability to select the image optimization level through your HubSpot hub? Well, guess what? Now you do, and that's exactly what I'll be showing you how to do today. Hey, you know what time it is.
Are you a HubSpot user looking for fun and interactive education that helps you be better at HubSpot? Then welcome to Sprocket Talk.
That's right, I'm your boy George B. Thomas from SprocketTalk.com, bringing you yet another HubSpot educational video. If you're a sales, marketing, or service professional looking to learn more about HubSpot and inbound strategies to help your business grow, then you're in the right spot. Need more? Then head over to SprocketTalk.com, get your free, that's right, free membership, and keep on learning. Make sure you hit that subscribe and the bell as well for those instant notifications, and use the comment section below to ask us all and any of the inbound and HubSpot questions that you may have. Now, let's get into the good stuff. So as you can see, I am on the SprocketTalk.com homepage, and we're talking about image optimization. When do we need it to be high, low, or maybe even the default that HubSpot gives you? And yes, HubSpot does do some image optimization to begin with. Now we're going to look at this area right here, popular HubSpot tutorials, where we have thumbnails for first support ticket, email time zone, bad news, and simple email layouts. Do these have to be high image quality? No, they're smaller images. They could probably be a lower image quality, but how do we do this? How do we select this in your HubSpot portal? Well, to do that, we're going to go over to this next tab here, and you're going to see that we're in this section. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and act like I'm adding this with the kind of image module section. We'll just hit replace, and in this case, we'll do a search for first because I actually do want the same image in this example. When I hover over the image, notice there is this eye here. And what we can do is click on the eye. And you're going to see down here, there is image optimization, and it is set to default. But in this case, I could say low. Now, why is that? It's because the image will load faster, and anything that helps the page load faster is going to help you with better SEO, search engine optimization. Once we do that, we can hit insert, and while it's the same image, instead of being the default or high, this is low, and your image will be served at a lower quality to optimize the faster load time that you may be looking for. Think about this. If you do this over 3, 6, 9, 12 images, the impact that it might have to your site. Did you like this video? Want to keep on learning? Then head over to SprocketTalk.com for more actionable sales, marketing, and service tutorials, updates, interviews, and more. Are you ready to be part of the fastest growing community of HubSpot users on the planet? Then while you're there, pick the package that's right for you. Hint, it might be the free one, and keep on learning. Before you go, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that bell as well for those instant notifications. And until next time we meet in the next video, make sure you're focused on being a happy, helpful, humble human. And along the way, make sure you're doing some happy HubSpotting.